Hi viewers, welcome to another beautiful day in Lagos, Nigeria. My name is Olashile David from Sales with Property, and I bring to you real estate cashback. Real estate cashback is similar to land banking, and for my client that subscribed to our last banking 13.0, I say thank you for believing in me, and to show you that we keep to our promise. This is the deed of agreement for one of my clients. I have post-dated check here, and the investment was sent to our mail. What is real estate cashback? Real estate cashback is a trading platform, trading scheme. We trade real estate. You know the meaning of that? We buy and we hold for reselling purpose. We acquire land in a prime location for reselling purpose or for building. We build and we sell for profit margin. Investors to come and invest with us so that we can share the profit together. Isn't that interesting? For the minimum investment is 500,000 naira, and by so doing, for 6 months we get 15% return on investment. Did you hear me? 15% return on investment for 6 months. And to bust your brain, if you are investing for 12 months, you get 30%. I know you like money. Invest with us. Let's take for example, you invest 1 million naira with us. In 6 months, you'll be getting 1,150,000 naira for return on investment. And if it is 12 months, you will get a 1 million naira and you will get 300,000 naira. I know what we are able to do to secure your investments. By investing with us, we give you 4 documents. We give you post-dated check, we give you insurance certificates, we give you investment certificates, and we give you deed of agreement. And we are licensed by Lagos State Real Estate Regulatory Authority, and we are members of Real Estate Developer Association of Nigeria, and we have a license from EFCC, Kumul certificate. Your investment is safe and is secure. We use our investment for building purpose, for acquiring landed property in a prime location. We have properties across Nigeria, more than 15 estates. We are still selling, and we are over 3 years in the system. Call my number now. I display it on this video. Call it now. If you have any question, don't hesitate to call me. If you have any comments, drop the comment and I will attend to your comment. If you're coming across this video for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, so anytime I post my videos, you will get it in your notification. And you can follow me on all social media handles at Sales with Property.